Is your WhatsApp audio call or video call not coming or showing on your Android when your device is locked? Many WhatsApp users are saying their WhatsApp calls are not coming and it does not ring when the device is locked. Now, if you have the same issues with your WhatsApp where you can't get audio and video call when your device is locked, then don't worry. Solving this problem is not really complicated. To solve your problem, watch this video and learn an easy way to fix it. So let's get started. First, open Settings, scroll down, tap Notification and Control Center. Tap App Notification, find out WhatsApp, toggle on this option, and open this app. Make sure to turn on Allow Lock Screen Notification. Also, enable all the settings. After that, scroll down to the additional setting. Tap 3 dot, tap Reset Notification Setting. After this process, go back. Tap and hold the WhatsApp app, tap App Info, tap Other Permissions. Tap Display Pop-up while running in the background. Also, enable all the other settings, go back and tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restrictions. Now, go back again. Swipe down, turn off the low power mode. After doing all the work, your problem should get a fix. But if you still have issues, follow the last setting. Open WhatsApp, tap 3 dot, tap Setting, tap Chats, scroll down, Chat Backup, tap Backup. Now, go back. Tap and hold the apps. Tap App Info, tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now set up your WhatsApp and your WhatsApp video or audio call will come on your lock screen. If you still have the same issues with your WhatsApp, let me know in the comment section.